So, hello students, welcome to DCA. This session is exclusive for Territorial Army Officer Entry Exam Mathematics section. So, we will talk two domains. First, how to cover that mathematics section exclusive for TA, right? Because maths is more or less integral part of each and every exam, right? So, what actually the TA says, you must have gone through the syllabus, right? So, though based on the experience, or you can say that experience with the candidates as well as the exam, what I can rather suggest you that all the questions are more or less straightforward. So when the questions are straightforward, and in today's era when students are more competent actually and they have actually high accuracy and speed rate, so you have to cover the throughout the syllabus. You cannot dare to skip anything because 100% syllabus करना बहुत जरूरी है. You don't know which questions are too easy to solve. There will be questions for each and every domain, right? Each and every chapter more or less, right? But you will feel short of time, so that's why you have to increase your speed, right? So focus on syllabus coverage. It should be 100%, right? Starting from that time and work, pipe and cistern, everything, percentage, profit loss, geometry, trigonometry. It's more or less covering the the whole CDS syllabus actually. But the questions are around 60-70% easier than in comparison to the CDS or the UPSC level exams. Maximum there will be 2 steps questions which can be easily solved. You should try to practice the mental calculation as well. Without using pen, you should try to calculate approximate values. This will help you in increasing your speed. वो बहुत जरूरी है. ऐसे तो आप 50 क्वेश्चन देंगे, लोग 2-2.5 घंटे 3 घंटे लगा के सब कर लेंगे. बट आपको क्या है, यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आप विद इन टाइम, राइट, कि आप 50 क्वेश्चन कोशिश करें, राइट, कि 1 घंटे में सॉल्व हो जाए. कोशिश, राइट. इट मे बी दैट आप 45 पे पहुंचे, but at any cost you have to ensure that you are attempting around 37 plus questions, because कुछ 1-2 क्वेश्चन तो गलत होने के भी चांसेस होते हैं, राइट. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट जस्ट एवरेज कैंडिडेट्स, राइट. सो स्पीड एंड एक्यूरेसी डेफिनेटली होल्ड्स द की. दूसरी चीज, ये वो सेक्टर है मैथमेटिक्स एंड रीजनिंग जहां पे एक कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम की तैयारी करने वाला स्टूडेंट्स एक मेच्योर कैंडिडेट से, बिकॉज मेनी ऑफ यू माइट बी आउट ऑफ टच व्हेन यू आर 30 प्लस, 32 प्लस, 35 प्लस, राइट. जो बच्चा 18, 20, 25 का है वो आसानी से ये सेक्शन जल्दी कर जाता है, राइट. तो यहाँ पे वो मार्क्स के टर्म्स में शायद आपसे एज ए टोटल में ज्यादा कर जाए. तो आपको अपने इन चीजों पे ध्यान देना है, राइट. यू कैन यूज एनी बुक, आपको जो पसंद आए. तो क्वेश्चंस आर बेसिकली फ्रॉम क्लास 6 to 10th, राइट. ऑलमोस्ट एवरीथिंग है, ऑल्दो बहुत आसान होते हैं, राइट. सो दोज हु हैव टेकन द DCA बुकलेट्स, सो वी हैव दिस वंडर बुक. दोज हु हैव टेकन दोज जिनके पास बुक कुरियर से गई है, दोज हु हैव रिसीव्ड वाया कुरियर, what to study. This is exclusive for our classroom program students as well as those who have taken the distance learning program, that is the booklets. उनके लिए भी मैं एक suggestion देता हूँ. You have around 27 parts in the booklets. 2 basics, that is level 0A, level 0B. So this is basic number system type which any class 6 student have to know, right. उसके बाद ये चीजें शुरू होती हैं, all the chapters. All chapters contains detailed theory, examples, step by step. Right, you don't need to take help of anything. It's more or less self-study kind of booklet. Now we have divided the exercise. Apart from this, we have 4 level exercise. One is very short, right? In fact, very short question, which you must try because you should try it mentally. आप book question देखो और mentally calculate करने की कोशिश करो. That will try to improve. That will actually improve your efficiency as well as build up your more efficient approach towards the MCQ questions. Second, level 1. So first thing, when you receive the book, try to go through these very short questions after reading the topic and the level 1, right. Don't touch level 2 and level 3 right now. एकाएक मत जाइए. पहले आप हर चैप्टर का level 1 और very short वाला करेंगे. You have to ensure for all this chapter you have covered level 1 and shorts. उसके बाद आपको टाइम बचेगा. If you want to cross check yourself, then you can try level 2. लेवल 3 को आप स्किप कर सकते हैं. मोर और लेस इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी द आस्क बिकॉज हमने रेयर ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट केस ले लिया है. बट आज तक ऐसा लेवल 3 टाइप क्वेश्चन नहीं आया. आप लेवल 1 तक करें. दिस विल इंश्योर आप स्पीड बना के रखें. दैट्स इट, राइट. सो दिस इज व्हाट द जेन्युइन सजेशन. दोज हु हैव रिसीव्ड, प्लीज सॉल्व ऑल द शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस as well as the level 1 questions. In short questions and the level 1, if you feel that you can do it mentally, please do it. Try to minimize the use of the pen while solving the question. राइट, यू शुड, बट एज सच थोड़ा कैलकुलेशन आपको मेंटली शॉर्टकट्स में करने होंगे, जैसे कि हाँ अप्रोक्सीमेट ऐसा आंसर आएगा. तो उससे क्या होगा कि आपकी एफिशिएंसी बढ़ेगी और आपके एग्जाम में अच्छे मार्क्स आने के चांसेस बढ़ जाते हैं. लास्ट बट नॉट द लिस्ट, when you are done with this, don't worry. Apart from this, we'll be having the test series that we will be starting more or less by 5th of September. You can enroll and you can practice your speed efficiency in the online test. That will be definitely free for all of the candidates, right? So this was all brief discussion about mathematics approach as well as the maths booklet. Those who have received any current batches going on, as well as if you want any information regarding booklet, you can contact at our official number 7710548960. Thank you. Good luck.